Skyscanner is one of the world's leading travel platforms, with a growing workforce spread across 3 key offices in Edinburgh, Glasgow, and London. As the company scaled, so did its need for smart, flexible storage across every location. But traditional lockers were holding the business back. Fixed assignments, manual admin, and rigid systems made it difficult to support a hybrid workforce, leading to underused space and daily friction for facilities teams. Skyscanner set a clear strategic objective: implement a dynamic, centrally managed storage solution. Partnering with Vpod smart solutions, they aimed to replace outdated infrastructure with smart lockers that could adapt in real time to how people actually work. The result was a system built for flexible working. Employees could reserve lockers on demand, facilities teams gained remote control, and the entire experience became simpler, faster, and more consistent across every office. The executive outcomes spoke for themselves: reduced administrative overhead, stronger support for hybrid work, better use of valuable office space, and remote operational control, all while delivering a consistent experience for employees and visitors alike. Together, these changes delivered a powerful combined business impact: flexible work enabled, operations streamlined, space optimized, and a scalable solution ready to grow across Skyscanner's global footprint.